I just found an incredible AI tool that lets you create stunning 360-degree product videos without needing a model or even a camera. Imagine being able to generate viral product videos like these completely using AI. This tool can help you attract more customers and boost your sales effortlessly. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can easily follow along and create professional, eye-catching product videos that stand out. Step 1. Access the AI tool first, go to Kling AI, find the link in the description, then to the AI Images section. Step 2. Select Virtual Try-On. Choose the Virtual Try-On feature. Here, upload an image of a single garment. You can also try with multiple garments, including pants, jackets, and accessories. First, upload the shirt image, then upload the pant. Step 3. Choose your model. Pick an AI-generated model that fits your brand. Here are many models you can see. Just pick up the perfect one, click Generate, and let the AI work its magic. Step 4. Animate your avatar. Within seconds, your AI avatar will be showcasing your product. To create a 360-degree video, click Bring to Life and follow the prompt instructions to animate your avatar. And just like that, you have a professional, high-quality product video featuring a dynamic 360-degree AI avatar. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more AI-powered marketing tips. Try it out and let me know your results in the comments. See you in the next video.